Hello, this is Natasha Grick for the Academic Success and Career Center. Today we will be discussing job application do's and don'ts. Filling out the application pre-test. So take out a sheet of paper and answer these questions. Is it okay to leave blank spaces on a job application? Should you use whiteout on a job application? Is it necessity to request a specific salary? 4. Does information have to be consistent with your resume? 5. If unsure of an answer, is it okay to be vague? 6. Is it cheating if you proofread with a partner? So let's go back. The first question. Is it okay to leave spaces on a job application? The answer is no. Should you use whiteout on the job application? No. Is it a necessity to request a specific salary? No. Does information have to be consistent with your resume? Yes. If unsure of an answer, is it okay to be vague? No. You always want to be as specific as possible. Is it cheating if you proofread with a partner? No. You want to make sure that each word is spelled correctly and a second set of eyes was easy to help you. Arrive prepared with what you will need: a resume, social security card, driver's license, and any other identification you may have. Names and addresses of previous employers, as well as starting dates and salary information. That is very important because most of the time we forget exactly the information that we need. Accurate information: names, addresses, and phone numbers of references. Arrive prepared with what you will need: black pens, and always have extras, and a pocket dictionary. Read and follow instructions carefully. Review the entire application before you begin. Be sure to write your answers on the correct lines and in the right spaces. Oftentimes this happens as a mistake on paper applications, so make sure you're writing on the correct line. Complete the application thoroughly and neatly. Print clearly. Do not be in a rush. Think about your answers before you write them in. Complete the application as thoroughly and neatly as possible. Don't indicate specific salary requirements. Keep your information consistent with your resume. You want to make sure that they're matching and saying the same thing as your resume on the application as well. Answer truthfully, but don't provide negative information. Turn negatives into positives, such as job ended instead of got fired. How you word things makes a big difference. Don't leave blank spaces. Don't be unclear. If the question calls for a specific answer, don't try to dodge it by being vague. Don't use correction fluid. If you type your application, use a correctable typewriter or lift off strips to correct mistakes. Better yet, fill out your application online. Therefore, you can always make corrections. And don't write in script. Do make copies of applications and practice filling out one before you complete the original. Do type or neatly print your answers and then proofread the application and essay several times for accuracy. Also, ask someone else to proofread with you. It's always good to get someone to look over the application prior to submitting it. Do make sure that everything that is supposed to be included is enclosed. Do fill out your own application. Type the information yourself to avoid crucial mistakes. Don't rely on someone else to type your application because you do not want them to make a mistake on it. Do start with the simple applications and then progress to the more complex ones. Do describe how you can make a contribution to the companies to which you apply. One final thing, if using a computer, be sure to use spell check. Some more questions for you. What items would you bring with you when filling out a job application? Your driver's license, social security card, any references, correct addresses and phone numbers for past employers, and also your resume. which is most important. Can you use whiteout on a job application? No. Is it wise to have someone other than yourself to look over an application? Yes. Should you make a copy of applications that you fill out? Yes. Is it common to skip filling out an application and say, see attached resume? No. It's always best to complete the application and submit a copy of your resume. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at our website listed below, www.octech.edu/ASCC. Have a great day.